Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Anam from Anam's Culinary Cruise, and today we'll be making very scrumptious pink sauce pasta. I would have it very often at a Turkish restaurant in Oman, and I decided to recreate it at home. So I hope you liked today's video. Let's get started. To make this delicious pasta dish, we will need all these ingredients. We will need around 2 chicken fillets chopped in cubes. I've marinated it in a little bit of salt. You can also add a little bit of black pepper powder and white pepper powder. I've blended around 6 medium-sized tomatoes to form a paste. I've also boiled penne pasta and drizzled some oil so that it doesn't stick together. Saved 1 cup pasta water. We will also need 1 bulb of garlic chopped. We will need 2 cups chicken stock. This is homemade. And we'll need half cup of all-purpose flour. We'll need 1 packet or 1 can of sliced mushrooms. You can also use fresh mushrooms. We'll also need some salt and seasonings such as oregano leaves, dried basil leaves, rosemary, red chili flakes, black pepper powder. We also need cooking oil, 3 cups full cream milk. We'll also need edible flowers for garnishing and black olives for garnishing. We will top the pasta with mozzarella cheese, and we'll also need some cinnamon sticks. So these were all the ingredients. Let's start making it now. To make the red sauce, I added some cooking oil into a heated pan. Now I'm adding in the chopped garlic. Sauté the garlic, but it should not turn brown. Now I'm pouring in the tomato paste. While the red sauce is simmering, we'll sprinkle some black pepper powder, oregano leaves, dried basil leaves, red chili flakes, and some salt to taste. Now we'll mix this while the sauce is simmering. While the red sauce is simmering, I'm making the white sauce. I've added some cooking oil into a heated pan. Now I'm adding in the all-purpose flour, half cup. Now I'm going to mix it. I added around half cup all-purpose flour to 3 tablespoons of canola oil, and then I cooked it for a little while. Now I'm adding in the warm full cream milk. I'm adding it 1 cup at a time, and then I'm going to mix it. Red sauce is now ready. I've turned the stove off. Now I'm going to add in the cinnamon sticks into the white sauce. You can see there are no lumps. It should be very smooth. Now I'm adding in the oregano leaves. Rosemary. And basil leaves. And then we'll mix this. Sprinkling in some black pepper powder. And seasoning it with salt to taste. And then we'll mix this. Now I'm pouring in 2 cups of chicken stock. And then we'll give this a good mix. And then we'll let it cook for a little while. Until it becomes thick. While the white sauce is simmering, I'm going to fry the chicken. I'm pouring some cooking oil into a heated frying pan. Look at the delicious chicken pieces being fried. Yum! White sauce is now ready. I've turned the stove off. You can also check it by running your finger through the white sauce on your wooden spoon, and if it doesn't blend, it means it's ready. I've added cooking oil into a heated wok. Now I'm adding in the sliced mushrooms. Seasoning it with some black pepper powder and salt. Adding in the fried chicken pieces. Mix this. I added in the pasta. Now I'm going to add in the red sauce. All of it. Now I'm mixing all of this. Now we will add in some white sauce. And then we'll mix this. Adding in some pasta water. And some more white sauce. And then we'll mix this. Now I'm going to top this delicious pasta with mozzarella cheese. Wow, it looks so delicious. Saucy, cheesy, and super yummy.